This is a Realme Narzo 70 Pro and it has a lot of AI smart sensing features. Let's check it out. Now, if I need to open an app, just place my finger like this, like a mouse pointer, and leave my finger which app I need to open. So let me open Play Store. So I am going to leave my finger in the Play Store. You can see instantly the Google Play appears. Now another scenario is if you want to scroll through the Chrome, that means if you're having a web page right now and if you want to scroll, just place your palm like this and do this stuff. And what if you want to swipe up, that means scroll up, so just place your hand like this and each time it would detect your hand gesture over here. So just do. See, it's really simple. Next scenario is scrolling photos. So just place your hand like this. See. Now what if you want to scroll to the left? See. So it is really cool. So with just the few gestures, you can just control the entire. Everything is fine, but how would you do the navigation systems? So it's just simple. Just give a thumbs up like this. It would automatically go to home. Place your hand like this and just give a pinch. You can see instantly it went to the regions, and now you can select by the same gesture. Now it is going to open the settings, and again I'm gonna go to the regions. I'm going to open the Chrome. See, again, if I want to take see doing the same gestures, going down, going up, and whenever you need to go back, just give a thumbs up like this. For the screenshot, we do this 3-finger swipe, but for this, just show 3 fingers. That's it. You can see it's already taken a screenshot like this. Just to show 3 fingers. You can see instantly the screenshot is taken. Best part is how to lock your phone. Just place your hand like this and wow. Next is for the Instagram reel lovers. So just tap on the Instagram and you can see the reels like this and just see. And if you want to scroll up, next one, this is lit. So I just love with the Realme Narzo 70 Pro.